Hi guys, Akeno here. Ngayon po, I show you how to create a dynamic to-do list that displays the percentage as I click the checkbox here and displays the actual count of tasks completed. Okay, before everything else, shoutout muna tayo. Silent viewer, how's it going, man? And to JR Flip, Melissa RC, and Griselda Rodriguez. Thanks for the tips, guys. Okay, let's begin. First, highlight the cells we want to format, and click Conditional Formatting, choose New Row. Then under the row type, choose the option at the bottom. Then let's link to its reliable cell. Let's remove the locker, that is the $sign. Click Format, and then let's choose the effects. Strike through, then color, then italic. Okay, the formula is true. Then we have here the preview. Let's try to type the value true, and then here true. That's it. Now next, let's try to hide the value. Let's do the camouflage technique. That is to change the font color the same way the background color. Next, insert a checkbox. Go to the developer tab, click insert, then choose checkbox. If you don't see the developer tab here, just right click anywhere in the toolbar, then choose customize ribbon, then click the developer, then OK. You should be able to see the developer tab here now. Now let's insert a checkbox. Let's just remove the caption. Now right click and then choose the format control, and let's link to its reliable cell. Click OK. Now if the checkbox is unchecked, it gives a false value, otherwise a true value. Let's copy the checkbox by dragging the cell up to the bottom. Now let's try to let me fix the table here first. Okay, now in this case it has the same value, cell length. So let's make sure to assign each checkbox to its reliable cell length. Let's make sure that each checkbox has a unique cell length. Now let's go to the basic formula to display the count of tasks completed. The cell here, let's type equal sign count, and let's choose the Countif. It's a conditional formula. So let's insert the range and then comma. Then the criteria is to find the true value. So let's type true. So here it counts it displays the count of a true value. Now to add a character, type ampersand, then within a double quotation is the character. That here we try to add a slash character. And then let's try. So that's the result, that's the output with our formula. Now to add another formula, just type another ampersand sign, then type the formula. Here let's choose CountA. It counts the cell that are not empty. So let's choose CountA. Then insert the value that is. Let's insert the range. Okay. Then we have the formula. Let's try. Now let's go to percentage. The formula is the same, that is the sum of a true value over the total number of tasks. So let's just copy the formula and paste. Okay. That's it. If you notice, it gives us the number here. So let's just change the properties from general into percentage. Then that's it. We now have the dynamic to-do list. Now for the current date here in this cell, let's type =, today, open close parenthesis. We can customize the date. Select on the scroll down menu either short date, like this is the short date, or we choose the long date. For more option, just select on the scroll down to the lower part, then select custom. Now we are able to customize the date in your preferable date format. Here I added a colon and I add a character. To add a character, just insert it within a double quotation, just like that. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.